subscriber, welcome back to my channel, people. What's going on, guys? Everyone okay? Hope you all doing good in this world. Guys, try to be safe in this corona time. So today I'm going to be cooking some curried beef, white rice, boiled corn, and for the juice I'm going to be making is carrots with some watermelon. Want to cook or what the person want, how the person want to eat, because I'm cooking things my way, how I like things to cook. So everyone do things different in their own ways. But I'm going to wash my beef with some water, and also remember to wash your meat with some vinegar as well. So we're going in with some white vinegar. We're washing our meat off. So it's very important you clean your meat properly and you take off all the unnecessary part that you don't want on it. For seasoning our meat, I'm gonna use some scallion, some thyme, onion, pepper, because whenever time the meat is finished cooked, then we are going to re-season the pot where we're going to add Irish potato, carrot, bell pepper, and also some fresh onion, some fresh scallion. And as usual, some Maggi, all-purpose season, 2 spoons, and some curry powder. Just rubbing in little curry because I'm gonna also burn the curry in the oil as well. So I'm just rubbing in some of the curry from now. So guys, this is 2 pounds of beef. There you have it, guys, my meat seasoned to the bone. Guys, I'm going to use some vegetable oil. Meat done marinate, so I'm going to start the morning cooking now. I'm adding some garlic, guys, I really love garlic, and I'm a huge fan of garlic. Cooking with garlic make a whole lot of difference. And this is the curry. Gonna burn our curry now. And also ensure you make your curry burn properly. So time to add the meat in. Then give it a turn. Give it a turn, guys. Let me turn about the stove a little bit. So I'm going to cover my meat. So I'm not going to add any water in. I'm just going to cover for the meat to take its time and sweat. Guys, this is what I was telling you about. I'm just checking up back on the meat. I don't put any water in the pot, and the meat is basically cooking for itself without adding any water. So after this have been dried out, that's when I'm going to put the water in. Now I'm going to add the water now. So I'm going to start with the stick. I'm just giving it another stir. Guys, can you see the juice from the beef and the pork? So I'm going to add the water now. Give it another stir. And then cover it. Meat is cooking, guys. I'm adding some pimento seed. I almost forgot the pimento seed, guys. Just me and that one. Guys, for my rice pot, I'm gonna use butter, scallion, thyme, salt. Guys, rice pot ready. The rice done wash. So you know the next step. So pour the rice into the pot. Yep, white rice. So my rice is coming along real good. I'm going to cover the rice with piece of plastic. Guys, you don't have to use the foil paper, you could use the plastic, just clean plastic, because what you want the rice to do now is to steam. So you turn on the stove and you wrap it with the plastic so the rice could steam and get shelly. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. Then you cover the pot now with the pot cover, so the rice will stay right there and steam. I have my onions, scallion, Irish, carrot, bell pepper, piece of fresh thyme, guys. So I'm going to add them to the pot now because the meat is tender enough. I'm going to give it a little stir. Guys, can you see the juice dripping? Looking real good now. Dinner soon done, guys. Dinner soon done. Guys, I'm only cooking 2 pieces of corn today. Check back on the porridge. Whoa. Porridge is most watery. Guys, my watermelon, so I'm going to be blending on my carrot, also my ginger. Guys, this is my dinner, so you know it's time to eat now. So if you like this video, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if this is the first time you come across my channel, also consider subscribing as well.